guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm doing a video today. Oh my gosh. Okay, so just to cover this, I got into a beauty school in the country that I live in, and I got a package from the beauty school because I'm taking the nail tech course for the beauty school, and I get to start whenever. And I told myself that once I get the package, I am starting. So I got the package today, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's heavy because there's a lot of things in there. Look, it says beauty school. Anyways, I'm gonna open it today because why not? You know, why not open it? Oh my gosh, I don't even know how I'm supposed to open this. Okay. Do I know how to open this? Do I? No. Actually, I don't know how to open this. Oh my gosh, I actually don't know how to open it. Hold on a second. I think I'm supposed to lift up the two sides. Anyways, hold on a second. Oh. Okay. I'm like literally struggling right now so much because I'm trying to open it. Oh my gosh. It flicked me in my face. Why is this so hard to just do this thing? Oh my gosh. It's actually so, like, it's so annoying that I can't even open this thing. How do you even, like, oh, okay, I see. I'm gonna open, hold on a second. I'm gonna open the sides. Ah, sorry about that. Oh no. Hold on a second. Wait, I'm trying to open this. I'm like struggling right now. I'm so happy that I got my kit. Oh, I'm literally breaking the... Why? I don't understand why they couldn't just give us like a package that we can like open properly. Because in honesty, how is one supposed to open this? Oh my gosh. Look how big it is. I'm like struggling here to open this. Oh. I have to open. Oh, hold on a second. I gotta open the bottom part. Oh, let me just. Hold on a second. I gotta open the bottom part because there's tape on it. Oh my god, I can't believe it's delivered today. I'm actually happy. I'm gonna show you guys what the stuff looks like. I have to, well, they said that I have to make sure that everything is there. Make sure nothing's missing. Make sure nothing's damaged. So this is like very fragile. Handle with care. Yeah. Oh, I'm scared because I feel like I'm gonna break it. I don't feel like I trust myself. Okay. I got it. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I know this is taking forever. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Look at that. Look at this. Okay. So it says your journey starts here. And then this is the checklist for my kit. So all of that I gotta make sure is in my kit. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys this thing right here. Let's see. Let's open this. Let's see what this is. I'm actually happy that this came through. Like, not gonna lie. Wait, hold on a second. Okay, I gotta make sure I have everything. I think I have a marker. No, I'm not sure what I did with it. I have a marker somewhere. No, it's it. I have markers. Oh, there it is. I found it. I found my marker. Okay. I am gonna post this on TikTok. And then I'm also getting other things too that's not included with my kit for my school that I'm going to. I'm doing online. So let's open this. Okay, what is this? This is the premium liquid. Premium liquid. Okay, let's see where it is. The liquid. Where is it? Because it is somewhere around here. Where's the liquid? I love ugly ducklings. I think this one is the acrylic liquid. I think that's what this is. Yeah, because it's the only one that says liquid. So that's one down. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It says ugly duckling. Okay. I'm like going very slow with this. This is going to take quite some time. Practice hand. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. My bad. I will open the boxes later. I just gotta make sure everything's there. Practice hand. Check. I'll definitely check to see once I know I have everything. The nail drill. I'm actually so happy that it came in. I was like waiting patiently. I was like, when is it gonna come in? Yeah, because I think that one is the nail drill that would have the bits and the e-file. The UV lamp. LED. I will definitely open it. Like I said, I will open it later. Okay. Oh, it has instructions for each of the products. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. I like that it has instructions for the drill and all the other stuff. Okay. My hair is like, what is this? I don't know what this is. What is this one? Acetone. Look how big this acetone is. Usually, the ones that you usually buy at like Dollarama or like Dollar Tree or whatever are a lot smaller. Okay, I'm gonna put that up there. Put this up there. And then I have the chart, which you practice on when you want to do like the monomers and stuff like that, which I think is pretty cool. I've actually seen videos on TikTok, people doing like the monomers, like the different beads. Beauty case. I'm gonna show you what the beauty case looks like. Whoa, this thing is heavy. Okay, let me just, sorry for singing. This thing is heavy. Okay. I can't believe the box is there. Okay, let's open the boxes because we gotta check to see if they are good. I'm just trying to close the box for a second. Alright, I'm gonna move you guys for a second. I'm actually so happy. Okay, I'm gonna open the first box. So I would assume that this is the charger cord for the drill, which seems not to be damaged at all, which is good. So that's not damaged, which is a good thing. And then the laminated practice sheet, which is this one. Give that a check. I just have to clean it. It's a little dirty, but it's because there was stuff on top of it. Oh. Oh my god, guys. Now the UV lamp. I'm actually so excited. I'm so happy that I got it today. Let's slowly open this up. I'm actually nervous to start online school. I'm so ready. Look how big this thing is. Oh my god. Okay, it doesn't seem to be broken. Everything's in good condition, which is a good thing. That's good. It has the little seconds on it. So it has like 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then you could it's double power, low heat mode, and all that stuff. I think this is pretty cool. I've seen this before. This is so exciting. Oh my god, I'm actually happy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm posting this both on YouTube and on not Instagram, but on YouTube and on TikTok if it's not too long. Because I know TikTok probably has a limit for like, oh, I forgot to put it back in. I bet you anything TikTok probably has a limit for oh my gosh, the amount of minutes. But what I can do is I can make another video of me going through it again, but not the unboxing part, just me going through it again. on my TikTok, and I'll make it a tad bit shorter. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I gotta check to see if the nail, should I just, because I gotta see if it's in good condition, because if it's broken, I have to take a picture so that they can, I guess, replace it. So, but, yeah. Like, it's like the biggest box ever. It's like heavy. As I was carrying it, it was like so heavy. I was like, this is so heavy. Anyways, I don't think I ever told you guys, but I have some stuff from Shein that I bought. Like nail stuff from Shein. So, you know, I already have certain things. I already have a nail drill, but the nail drill is not that good, so I'm actually happy that I got a nail drill that's better. Okay. I'm gonna show you the E. Oh. There's probably only a little bit of E-files. So I guess this big one like came out of where it was like, there's only like 3. Anyways, it came out of its spot, which is okay. Where is it? Where is it? Oh no, it's already here. Anyways. What is this? Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. Anyways, I don't... It's part of the nail drill. Oh. Okay. I think it goes... I think that's where it goes. So it's like... So if it's... Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. I know I didn't break it. I think it fits like this. So I think it's supposed to like fit like this. So this is the lock. So I think you lock it like this. And it locks this in place so that can't move. Then you switch it this way so it's unlocked. And I'm pretty sure that this is really supposed to fit like this. But, yeah. So it's supposed to fit like this. I dropped it by accident. I didn't mean to. I'm clumsy. Hopefully I didn't break it, and hopefully it works. Like, in all honesty, I hope it works. Because I did not mean to make it fall. It was an accident. And then I'm going to show you the machine part. Look how big it is. This is actually so cool, guys. I better have not broken the drill though. I'm actually going to be so upset if I did. But I didn't mean to drop it. It was an accident. Because I was literally trying to fit the thing on and I did not think it would have dropped. So hopefully the drill is good. Anyways, I should just be dropping things. Crazy. Okay, I know I'm taking forever. I'm so sorry. Okay, your practice hand. Oh, I forgot with the natural. Practice hand. Oh my god! Look, guys. It's the nail tips for the practice hand. See? Nail tips for the practice hand. Some of it fell out. But it seems to be all intact, so it seems to be fine. Oh, so all of these just fell out. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't even look like any of them are broken. Hold on a second. I'm gonna show you guys the practice hand. Okay. So the practice hand comes with instructions. Comes with how to use the practice hand and that. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I saved myself. Hold on a second. I think there's two. I think there's a reason why they all fell out. Because there's too much. These nails. But I think it's so cool how the nails, the practice hand comes with like nails that you can use for it. I think that's actually pretty cool. Oh my gosh. I forgot to tell you guys how long the length for my program is. It is for 12 months, which is just a year. And then it's not, because there's too much. Okay. So there's actually too much nails for the practice nail, which is why it's not closing, and possibly also why they all fell. Close. Okay. Anyways. The practice hand seems to be very much okay. Just the fingernails were bent a little bit, which is okay. But the practice hand seems to be intact. And I think that the fingertips are... Hold on a second. I think the fingertips are supposed to show a little bit of, like, skin, I guess. But the practice hand looks fine. It doesn't look damaged to me. And then, so I'm gonna put the nails back in, which are gonna bound to fall out, but that's okay. They're not even supposed to feel like that. How is it? It doesn't even matter at that point. Okay. Time to work on this one. Okay, I'm gonna open my case. And I'm gonna move you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see. Look at it. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, because I gotta make sure everything's okay. Okay, let's start with this one. 100% acetylprone. I don't know how to pronounce it. Where did the thing go? Oh, it's alcohol. That's what it is. Okay. So this seems in good condition, not damaged or anything. The practice hand, I'm pretty sure is supposed to look the way it looks. So couldn't say if it was damaged or not. Pretty sure that's how it's supposed to look like. Okay. I'm getting sidetracked. Okay. What are these again? Do I know what these are? Do I remember what this is? I don't remember what these are supposed to be. So, if I had to guess, yeah, I wouldn't know. Because I've seen these before. I have them, but I don't remember exactly what they're called. They're brushes, though. They're brushes. I know they are. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be the powder dust brush, but I could be wrong because I think they're the fine line brush sets. That's what they are. The fine line brush sets. That's what I was. Yeah. I knew they were brushes. I just forgot what type of brushes they're supposed to be. But I'm gonna show you what they look like. They have like beads in them. Marble. Okay. Acrylic powder. This one is the pink one. I don't know why I'm showing you it at the bottom. Seems in very good condition. Ugly duckling. Foo-foo. This one is the white one. Okay. Oh, this one's the clear. That's what that is. Okay. Lotion. Hand lotion. Lotion, lotion, lotion. Where did the lotion go? Oh, hand cream. There it is. It's hand cream. Oh. And here's the spray. Which is for the alcohol, right? So that's that. Okay. Cotton balls. Oh, there's 100? Okay. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh. Oh, it's to protect it, to separate it, right? Okay. What is this? 6-pack. What? What is this supposed to be? Is this, I think these are gel polishes. I think that's what this is. Yeah, gel polishes. Okay. Hold on a second. Oh. Wow. Someone want to at that. Okay. What's this one? Build a base. Building a base. I think this one's the base coat. Yeah, it's the base coat. Okay, seems in perfect condition. It says build a base. I think that's so funny. Okay. Which I would assume that this one's the top coat, which is the black one. Nail glue. It's really small. There we go. Nail glue. Right here. I like lost track of where I was supposed to put that. Cuticle oil for your cuticles to hydrate it. Put that back. What is this? Gel polish, French white. Okay, French white. One of them is French pink. None of that. This one's the apple. Ooh, apple red gel polish. That's actually pretty cool. Okay. This one is a gel nail polish base, which I chalked off already. Nope. No, I did not. Builder gel. One of them was a Builder gel was, I think, the Builder base one is the Builder gel. I'm pretty sure that's what that was. I think I did it wrong. So which means that this one must be the pink one. Which I can't seem to get out, but okay. This is prep. Okay. Prep. This one's primer. I'm like, oh, sorry. I think I'm checking off the wrong stuff. Glossy top. Is that the top? I think that's what that is. I'm like getting so lost. Yeah, I'm like getting so lost right now. I think the Builder one was the clear one. Yeah, because I think it said Builder, which has to mean it's the build one, which means that this one has to be the pink, which to me is not coming out. Oh. Oh. Let everybody stand. Oh, I got it on me. Yeah, I think this one's the pink one, because it's pink at the top. So, yeah. Yeah, those ones were the one that I... Okay. Put this back in. Put the cotton... What did I put the cotton ball? Cotton balls are right here. Or right there. And I'm pretty sure I'm putting them in the wrong spot, like 100%, because I have to put these back. Like I was putting them in the wrong spot. Like, am I good? Am I okay? Am I Gucci? Am I Prada? This should go after, even though that's literally the wrong placement, but it's okay. Because at this point, it doesn't matter. Does it? No. It does not. Okay. Gel brushes. Which is like one. Okay. And I'm taking forever, I'm so sorry. Edge cutter. So far, the boxes have been checked. So far. Nail tips! Look at the nail tips. Is there anything for nail tips? Yes. I get one nail tips. One box of nail tips. And then I get the wooden sticks. I get 10 of them. These boxes have been checked. Okay. Cuticle cutter. I already have one. But I don't clean it properly in the way I should be cleaning it. So, it's a cuticle nipper. I call it cuticle cutter, so don't come for me if I call it cuticle cutter. Olives. Oh, these ones are the nail forms, which is at the very top. Check that box off. Oh my gosh. The buffer block. Is this a shine buffer? No, this is the buffer block, the 4-way one. Yeah, so I was right. And then for some reason, kind of back down on it. This one is a foul edge shine. Oh. No, this is the wrong one. That's a shine buffer. That's the wrong one. This is the 4-way block. This is the 4-way block. The one that I took out was the shine buffer, so. This one is the glass, which would be the glass dip and dish. No, wait, no, it. Okay. Nail clipper, which I already have. So far, nothing's damaged, except for the fact that I dropped the drill by accident. I didn't. What is this? Oh, I think these are the lint-free wipes, because they feel pretty thick, and I'm pretty sure that these are the lint-free wipes. What the hell? Daddy. Okay, let's put everything back in that part. I'm gonna just say that I'm probably most likely not even gonna put these back properly, but it is what it is. Because in all honesty, I don't really care at all. Because at the end of the day, it is my case anyways. So if I put them wrong, that's definitely my problem. But they will still fit regardless, because they have to. They have to fit. Like they have no choice but to fit. And I'm gonna put the cuticle edger with the fine, whatever. Anyways. Can't believe I made this whole video so long. I'm so sorry, everybody. Okay, so in this compartment right here, in this compartment right here, is the stuff I'm gonna be taking out, which opens. We got a brush. Oh. Which I also have. Now I have 2 brushes. Okay. Where's the... Right. Didn't I already see primer? Like, wasn't there primer already in my face? The acrylic brush, yes. That's what that is. Or is that it? I'm so confused. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. I don't think that's the tool thing. Okay, this one's the tool brush for the cleaning of the tools. It's obviously obvious, right? Okay, what is this? I don't know what this is. What are these? Oh, these are straps for the this thing. Okay. So that goes back in there. Yeah. The nail filers. And then there's 7 of them. I'm like covering all the other stuff. My checks are a little too big. But I have at least one. Is that the gel brush? No, it's not. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes to fill up. Now the hand, the practice hand, I'm pretty sure is supposed to look the way it's supposed to look. I could be wrong. I'm not sure. So, I don't know if I should take myself for it. Here's another black one. Here's a green one. Offering blood. Whatever. Manicure pen? Is this the gel brush? I think that's what this is. Made in China. I think this is the gel brush. What is this? I don't know what that is. But this one would have to be the gel brush. Nail prep dehydrator? What is that? Cuticle pusher? No, I did the wrong one. By accident. I think these ones are the plastic eyedropper. Yeah, that's what that is. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. What is this? I'm like missing. Oh, that's the shine buffer, is what that was. And then the powder dust brush. Why do I sense that I did something wrong? Because I feel like I did do something wrong. Ooh, sorry. I feel like I did something wrong. But yeah, I feel like I done something wrong. I don't think I counted these right. I'm gonna make a second video to this to see that I got what I got correctly, to know that I was correct, because I'm sensing that I was wrong and I counted wrong. Like, I sense I did something wrong. Like, I sense that I did something wrong. Like, I feel like I counted wrong. Like, I really feel like I'm missing something here. Yeah, I've had to count something wrong. Because I think the brushes is what I'm getting confused on. And then the primer, which is also something that I got confused on. Like, I feel like I did something wrong. Yeah. Because I don't even know what this is. I wonder if this is a nail. Oh, those were liquids. These are tool and equipment. Yeah, these are tools and equipment. Yeah, I've sensitive to something. So I don't even know what this thing is. And then there was a powder, there's supposed to be a powdered dust brush. And I'm pretty sure that this is not that. And then there was liquids. A primer and a nail prep dehydrator, which I think I probably most likely pulled out, but didn't realize that I did. So I think I went wrong. Yeah, I sense that I did something wrong. I sense that I might have miscalculated something. Or at least didn't count something. I think I pulled out something and then just didn't count it. I didn't know what it was. And it was like, oh, let me just count it as this. And I probably miscounted wrong. Because that can happen. You know? Oh. Is that this one? What is that? Yeah. Okay, let me check the liquids again because I feel like I counted something wrong or checked something wrong. I counted. So this is the acetone because it says it there. This is premium liquid. Which acrylic liquid? Premium liquid, what? I feel like the premium liquid might be the primer, but I could be wrong. But I'm pretty sure premium liquid is the acrylic liquid. So I'm most sure that I counted that correctly. Or checked that correctly. I really actually missing like no, I think I might be missing like 3 things. I think that's what it is. I'm most likely missing 3 things. Because I don't actually think I miscounted what I had in my box. I'm pretty sure I have everything except for the powdered dust brush, the primer, and the nail prep dehydrator. I'm pretty sure is the 3 things that I do not have in my kit. And so the nail bits are these 3. So I am supposed to have 3. I'm supposed to have a drill box, and which is on the drill box. Okay. Okay, so I'm only supposed to have 3 nail bits. Okay. Okay, I am going to put that there.
anyways, I guess that is it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Until next time, bye.